ऐसा तो
Yes,
नहीं है कि आप बिगर, अगर आपका ये कंटेंशन है तो रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, देश के लिए वो चिंताजनक बात है कि आप बिगर समझे पेमेंट कर रहे हैं।
sir. My lord, the issue involved in this case, my lord, whether electricity duty would be applied to the government of India
Yes,
or
yes,
not.
yes.
Yesterday, my lord, I failed to answer some of the query put forth by this
मैं आपके
honorable court.
ऑफिसर,
Yes, my lord, they
वेयर इज
see
इट?
here.
Thanks, sir.
हाँ, कल का ऑर्डर। बताइएगा, आपके कमर्शियल कनेक्शंस किस पर्पस के लिए यूज होते हैं एमईएस में?
Sir, commercial connections are including all the activities which we are doing in commercial, sir. All are being used by Government of India defense employee and are being provided by defense
ये
employee
सब
only,
मत
sir.
बताइए, आपको जो सवाल है उसको समझने की कोशिश करिए पहले।
Sir, sir,
आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है।
yes, sir.
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कौन सी कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी करती है जिसके लिए आपको कमर्शियल कनेक्शन लगता है?
Sir, commercial activities to include, sir, we have a military hospital, sir.
हाँ, दैट इज अ कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी।
My lord,
एक सेकंड वेट, लेट हिम आंसर।
Sir, as per MPSCB, we have two different heads, sir. One is all the quarters in which married army men are living, sir. We call them domestic purpose, sir. Rest everything is under like Government of India
What is
activity.
the classification given by the electricity authority for taking a domestic connection and a commercial connection?
Sir, for domestic connection, all those married accommodations are included in domestic connection, sir, or residential users.
अनमैरिड को डोमेस्टिक नहीं है, अनमैरिड विल नॉट बी सेड टू बी इन अ डोमेस्टिक एकोमोडेशन, ऐसा है क्या?
Sir,
अगर एक बैचलर है वो रहता है आपके क्वार्टर में, तो वो क्या जो है डोमेस्टिक कनेक्शन नहीं कहलाएगा?
sir, because जो all those who are living unmarried, sir, they are not in a quarter, sir. They are living in a line barrack kind of.
बैरक, तो
Yes.
बैरक में क्या कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी होती है जिसके कारण उसको कमर्शियल कनेक्शन लेना पड़ेगा?
Barrack are not included in commercial activities.
दे आर रेसिडेंशियल, दे आर डोमेस्टिक कनेक्शंस।
Sir, but we are not giving them bills, sir. They are not authorized to pay the electricity bill, sir.
नहीं, दे मे नॉट बी ऑथराइज्ड टू पे, दैट इज नॉट ऑथराइज्ड। You are not charging the residents of the barrack,
Sir.
and you are bearing the expenses of the electricity used in the barracks.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Sir.
तो but will it make it a commercial connection?
No, sir.
तो ये क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है? समझ लीजिए, एफिडेविट फाइल करिए। कितने दिन में एफिडेविट
Well,
फाइल करेंगे?
yes.
पहले आप नॉर्म्स बताइए कि एमपीवी की क्या नॉर्म्स हैं डोमेस्टिक कनेक्शन के लिए, कमर्शियल कनेक्शन के लिए, और आप क्या एक्टिविटी करते हैं जिसके लिए कमर्शियल कनेक्शन लिए गए हैं। आप बताइए
may I
मैडम
submit,
जी।
my lord, this bifurcation has been made by the MPEB.
मतलब क्या बाइफर्केशन है, समझिए, उनसे भी समझ लेंगे ना।
So they will answer, my lord, how?
You also answer because you are using those connections. ऐसा
yes.
तो नहीं है कि आप बिगर, अगर आपका ये कंटेंशन है तो रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, देश के लिए वो चिंताजनक बात है कि आप बिगर समझे पेमेंट कर रहे हैं।
Sir,
अगर आपको ये समझ में नहीं आया
Lord,
कि कौन सा कनेक्शन कमर्शियल है, कौन सा डोमेस्टिक है, और व्हाई शुड यू पे
what
फॉर
we are
कमर्शियल,
saying, we are government of India, we are exempted from any.
वो समझ गए, वो आपकी कल आर्गुमेंट हो चुका है।
Permission of my lord, may permit me to read once Article 287.
हाँ, पढ़ लिया, कल पढ़ लिया था, फिर पढ़ लिया आप।
My lord,
पढ़ लीजिए,
allow me to read
आप
once.
प्लीज पढ़िएगा।
Yes.
लेकिन पहले मेरी बात का उत्तर आना चाहिए कि कमर्शियल कनेक्शन क्यों लिया है
So, हमने लिया नहीं है, इनने बाइफरकेट किया है।
आपने कभी अप्लाई नहीं किया कनेक्शन के लिए?
हमने तो इनका
एक सेकंड,
6.1 कनेक्शन लिया।
you never applied for a commercial
No
connection?
sir, हमने इनसे लिया है 2 LT कनेक्शन, 244
244 LT.
sorry, yes my lord, 2 ST connection and 244 LT connection. They came a bifurcate.
LT and ST का क्लासिफिकेशन अलग है। LT is low tension,
हाँ,
ST
yes,
is
sir.
high tension.
Yes, sir.
That is for different purpose, and the classification of commercial and domestic is for different purpose.
Yes sir.
Sir, when the
Sir,
हाँ बताइए, when we,
sir, when the joint survey was carried out between NPSCB and MES, sir, so they only came up with the conclusion that all those accommodation which are not being used by married people are to be considered as
where is that Panchnama? Where is that joint inspection report?
sir.
my lord,
You have? Bring
Yes,
it, bring it, please bring it.
Varied, my lord, 287.
हाँ पढ़िए ना।
And I would also request, my lord, if my lord come to page 21 of their reply also.
पहले 287 पढ़ना है कि पहले पेज 21 पढ़ना है?
पहले मैं 287 पढ़ूंगी,
पढ़िए।
establish करूंगी इससे।
पढ़िएगा।
Yes. Clause A पढ़ रही हूँ sir.
क्लॉज
A.
जी।
Consumed by Government of India or, my lord, I am here. Consumed by Government of India. If I can take, my lords, page 21 of their reply.
जी।
Who is the consumer?
नहीं or sold to the government of India
It is not
for
and.
for purpose. Yes,
With
I
different-
understand.
Yes, my lord.
Or for
Yes.
sold to the government of India
Huh.
for consumption by that government.
My lord,
Now
that-
here the defining line is consumption. Who
That
is the consumer?
That is why I'm just reading the language of the constitution. My lord,
जी।
consumed by the government of India or, I'm not going to or, I'm here only, my lord. Consumed by government of India.
Yes.
Now bill they have enclosed, my lord may come to page 21 of their
Page
reply.
21. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Page 21 of their reply.
yes. My lord, may see the bill has been issued in whose name? The connection which have been taken, my lord, 2ST and 244 LT.
जी।
The bill is being issued in the name of
नहीं, therefore it is necessary to understand.
the assistant garrison engineer.
Yes, that I have understood.
Yes.
Now you are required to demonstrate.
Yes, my lord.
दीजिए, आपकी रिपोर्ट दीजिएगा।
Serial number 6.
So, my lord, here the consumer is government of India. How they are concerned, how we are using
No,
the.
no, we are concerned. Even court is concerned how you are using it.